Kiri Paire,
Onke lama game la bahlezi bakhuluma ngawo bathi Pirates akeke wawini wonke so washaya wonke kuyakhala mlamthuthu
Welcome to Pirates Fans TV. It's 2-0 to Orlando Pirates. We just beat Sekhukhune. I'm with Nengomashe to analyze the game. Nengomashe Ntonayam. How are you feeling?
This is a new institution as they always say. Pirates shows you what it's a league. We just lost to Tito Maswanganyi. We just lost to Rile Mufukeng. But now we are moving like Ngata Genzagalanga next. In depth, Mugutis Kukunet is also like a train the Roglandelan. Danga history on itself. It's in my Kalanga trend, this is in my Kalang. But the team just keeps on growing. And what's nice, if we need a Zalinto and Ezinan, Abo Mtiane, they have good first touch. Abo Mukobo, Dimfetu, Kobo, Demtiane, combination in Nandi. I think this is a Ligas in Danga. And then Danga Shabis and the team.
Sipo Chain and Tanga, it looks like this guy is gonna take that goalkeeper of the season again in Tanga.
Kantang Pilivanga Mangiti, Omo, Sunlight, Abapu, Sipo Chain, Ambassador, and things. Because I'm a Tinchitanga, Ufunang Pin the foot. The 2-year Orlando Pirates, when last did we lose? You must check that. Tina's Liu on page. The only thing is Liwangayo is just a draw. And the drawing against his side all the managing up chair is Kukune. Not as Nabala as a Saturday has sent in. Spapenil Nil. As Baketanga man. Spaketaman.
Koristi. Ndonayami combination Agamtian and Umkobodi to talk to us.
Like I think it's scouts as separate, we should give them kudos. Because also no Mulai simthatha ku NFT but siyabona iDiamond and mind you Mkobodi Mthiane babuya bonke ku Stellenbosch. The boys understand each other and Mkobodi mfethu yenza ibhola simple. What about Mthiane? Mthiane knows how to trap and turn and look to the final third. Mfethu we are good like intanga ngathi the team le lokho idlala yonke which is that's not the truth yangithola. I think Orlando Pirates njengoba ngokutshela we've just lost to Tito but I think it's a new era. It's a blessing in disguise for us singaboni. It's a new era intwana encane at least abanye mabehamba abanye bayangena. Believe you me, we're going to take this league and ekuzoba ngathi siyadlala and the into emnandi abantu abasasabi manje yangithola bazoza kithi baze ngesiteam seIno sizobathulisa thina.
Yeah, steam seIno.
Last question in Tonayami. Of course we saw Radio Mani. He gave us decent performances, but at least today a goal and an assist. What do you think changed in this game today?
Truth be told, Radio Man should be a man of the match today, as he now. You understand? But what I think changed from his mentality, Uguti as much as Upegi came man logo call, Miss Logo am a fan, but like Upo, Ube Waba composed, isn't to the end of Galagash. Okay, Yalboni code, what about an assist? Ube what Mage figured out was Misikanda, who's selling a man, something which is I always say, Uguti Ita Kamelezis. Kudos to him, Sambonye.
There you have it, Mapagania. That's Nengomashe. Bopa!